Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I have for you is a heavy duty meat survival knife that I've been trying for the last couple of days. I've had this made with the thought of this would help me doing a bit of shelter building, even some self-protection if required, for stuff like making tools while out in the woods, game prep like butchering meat, fire prep was a big one. I needed something that was heavy duty, and also the cutting of natural materials and man-made materials. This knife here is made of 01 tool steel, which I found to be very good, and it's easy to sharpen when in the field. And one of the downsides is it's got a tendency to rust, so we need to put a bit of a patina on it, and I've just started that, as you can see here. And you can see a wee bit of rust there in the corner, but it's okay so far, and it's been raining for the last couple of days while I've been using this. Another thing, I wanted to have a bit of capabilities to do a bit of carving and whittling if need be, also to kill game, food prep, preparing your veg, your meat and your fish, and also for hunting. It's a heavy duty medium sized knife. Overall length is 28.5 centimetres. It weighs approximately 450 grams. The blade length is 14 centimetres. I have an oversized handle which is 14.5 centimetres, and I wanted it oversized so basically I could wear it with gloves. The wood on the slabs of the handle are an African hardwood called manga. It has a 90-degree spine for doing some scraping, and a scallop here also to help me with scraping for like debarking of branches and using on a ferrule rod, and maybe for scraping off hide. Wanted it for that as well. There's a combination of a drop point and clip point. The knife itself is 6mm thick. It's got a heavy duty front on it, and you can see to the rear of the knife here we have a hammer end with a lanyard hole in it, and I wanted this extended the butt basically so I could use it as a small hammer if required, and also gave me the capability to be able to hit the top of the knife or butt end without worrying about hitting the scales and knocking them off. I have 5mm brass hollow tubes here and down here, and that's just to give me another attachment point if I really needed it to make a spear for talking sake, and also to put some paracord through to make some improvised type of grip. And you can see here, this point here where my pinky is, this also gives me a good stop when stabbing into material, and also for when I'm splitting wood, it gives me a good positive stop even with gloves on. That's something I really liked about this knife and its design. Top, you can see I've got a thumb size pad piece of jimping here, and that's just to give me a bit of a secure grip when applying a bit of pressure when doing stuff like with the downward pressure as you would when doing feather sticking. And to the front here we have this scalloped shape cut out to allow me to scrape and debark branches or scrape my ferrule rod. The tip is heavy duty to give me puncturing capability into wood without worrying too much that it's going to break up or snap off. As you can see, it's a through tang. In this test, what I want to do is try the tip out. Because it's so thick, it's got to find puncturing things a bit more difficult. Good test for it is the old rubber tyres. I want to see how it'll get on with this. I'm expecting it to find this quite difficult. Let's see how it gets on. Oh, there we go. Oh, excuse me. Well, as you can see, cutting that no problem. Well happy with that. Another test complete.